If you own a home in the United States, or you're planning to buy one, here's a powerful truth most Americans don't realize until it's too late. Your home is likely the biggest financial investment of your lifetime, and protecting it the right way can mean the difference between stability and disaster. Every year, millions of us homeowners face unexpected losses from fires, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, theft, lawsuits, appliance breakdowns, and system failures. While some recover smoothly, others struggle for years simply because they chose the wrong protection or misunderstood what home insurance actually covers. This guide is designed to change that. In the United States, home protection is often misunderstood, confused, or aggressively missold through ads, mailers, and phone calls, especially under names like HomeProtect, Home Shield, or Home Warranty, which sounds similar to real insurance, but are not the same thing. True home protection in America is built on two pillars: homeowners insurance and optional home warranties. And understanding the difference is absolutely critical for every U.S. homeowner. Homeowners insurance is a regulated financial product required by mortgage lenders and governed by state insurance departments, while home warranties are optional service contracts that cover wear and tear repairs on appliances and systems. Confusing these two has cost Americans billions of dollars over the years. So let's break everything down clearly, honestly, and with real U.S. facts. Days. In the United States, homeowners insurance is designed to protect your house, your belongings, your finances, and your legal liability. A standard homeowners insurance policy typically includes 6 core protections: dwelling coverage, other structures coverage, personal property coverage, loss of use coverage, personal liability coverage, and medical payments coverage. Dwelling coverage protects the physical structure of your home against covered perils such as fire, lightning, windstorms, hail, explosions, vandalism, and certain types of water damage. This is the heart of American home insurance, and lenders require it because it protects their financial interest in your property. Toda structures. Coverage applies to detached garages, fences, sheds, and guest houses, usually at about 10% of your dwelling limit. Personal property coverage protects your furniture, electronics, clothing, appliances, and valuables, whether they are inside your home or temporarily outside of it, such as in your car or hotel room. Loss of use coverage pays for temporary housing, hotel bills, food expenses, and living costs if your home becomes unlivable due to a covered claim. 2. Which is one of the most overlooked but life-saving benefits for us families after disasters. Personal liability coverage protects you if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally cause damage to someone else's property. And medical payments coverage handles smaller injury claims regardless of fault. Now, here's where many Americans get confused. Home warranties, often marketed as Home Protect or home protection plans, are not insurance. They do not cover fires, storms, theft, lawsuits, or structural damage. Instead, they typically cover mechanical failures of systems like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, water heaters, and appliances like refrigerators, washers, dryers, ovens, and dishwashers. These plans can be useful, especially for older homes, but they are optional and should never replace real homeowners insurance. In fact, many consumer protection agencies, including state attorneys general and the Better Business Bureau, regularly warn consumers about confusing warranty marketing that makes these plans sound like mandatory insurance. Spy. Understanding this distinction instantly makes you a smarter homeowner in the U.S. market. When it comes to choosing the best homeowners insurance companies in the United States, several names consistently stand out due to financial strength, customer satisfaction, claims handling, nationwide availability, and long-term trust. State Farm, the largest homeowners insurer in America, dominates the market because of its local agent network, strong claims performance, and stable pricing. Millions of Americans choose State Farm because they want face-to-face service combined with national backing. USAG is often rated the best overall homeowners insurance company in the country, but it is only available to military members, veterans, and their families. USAA consistently ranks at the top for customer satisfaction, claims handling, and value, making it the gold standard for eligible Americans. Allstate offers broad coverage options, customizable endorsements, and strong digital tools, appealing to homeowners who want flexibility and brand recognition. Amica Mutual is famous for exceptional customer service, dividend policies, and high claims satisfaction, often ranking #1 in consumer surveys. Nationwide offers solid coverage, competitive pricing, and bundling discounts, while Travelers Insurance is known for strong financial stability and specialized coverage options for high-value homes and luxury properties. Chubb Insurance is considered elite, offering extended replacement cost, cash settlement options, and white glove claim service that high-net-worth homeowners value deeply. This pricing is one of the most common questions Americans ask, and the truth is that home insurance costs vary dramatically by state, zip code, home value, construction type, and risk factors. According to industry data, the average annual homeowners insurance premium in the U.S. typically ranges from around $1,200 to $2,000. But in higher-risk states such as Florida, Louisiana, Texas, California, and parts of the Midwest, premiums can be significantly higher due to hurricanes, wildfires, floods, and tornadoes. Florida homeowners, for example, face some of the highest insurance costs in the nation due to hurricane exposure and litigation risks, while states like Idaho, Utah, and Oregon often enjoy lower premiums. This is why comparing quotes from multiple insurers is not just smart, it's essential. Two homeowners living on the same street can pay very different rates depending on their credit history, claim history, roof age, security systems, and even the distance to the nearest fire station. 2. One of the most powerful but underused strategies in America is policy customization. Many homeowners carry outdated or underinsured policies without realizing it. Extended replacement cost coverage, for example, can protect you if rebuilding costs exceed your policy limits due to inflation or material shortages, which became extremely important after recent nationwide construction cost increases. Replacement cost coverage for personal property ensures you are paid the cost to buy new items, not depreciated values. Scheduled personal property endorsements protect high-value items like jewelry, watches, firearms, artwork, and collectibles that standard policies limit. Water backup coverage protects against sewer or drain backups, which are surprisingly common and expensive. Earthquake insurance and flood insurance are typically excluded from standard homeowners policies and must be purchased separately through private insurers or the National Flood Insurance Program. Knowing these details puts you ahead of the majority of us homeowners. Now, let's talk about home warranties and so-called HomeProtect plans, because this is where many Americans feel misled. Companies offering home warranties promise convenience and budget predictability by covering repairs for systems and appliances that break due to normal wear and tear. So, in theory, this can be useful for first-time homeowners or owners of older homes. However, consumer reviews show mixed experiences, with common complaints involving denied claims, service delays, limited contractor availability, and fine print exclusions. This does not mean all home warranties are bad. It means they must be approached with realistic expectations. Reputable home warranty providers in the U.S. include companies like American Home Shield, Choice Home Warranty, and Select Home Warranty, but none of them replace real insurance. The smartest American homeowners view warranties as optional supplements, not core protection. 2. Another critical area for us homeowners is claims handling. Because insurance only proves its value when disaster strikes. The best insurance companies distinguish themselves during claims by fast response times, fair settlements, clear communication, and minimal disputes. After major disasters such as hurricanes, wildfires, or winter storms, insurers with strong financial reserves and efficient claims systems are better positioned to serve policyholders. This is why AM Best Financial Strength Ratings, J.D. Power Customer Satisfaction Studies, and long-term market presence matter. Cheap insurance can become very expensive if it fails when you need it most. For American homeowners, bundling insurance policies is one of the easiest ways to save money. Most major insurers offer significant discounts when you bundle homeowners insurance with auto insurance, umbrella insurance, or other policies. Safety features such as smoke detectors, burglar alarms, smart home monitoring systems, and impact-resistant roofs can also reduce premiums. Maintaining good credit, avoiding frequent small claims, and updating your policy regularly can further lower costs over time. Insurance is not a one-time decision, it's an ongoing strategy. 2. The future of home protection in the United States is also evolving rapidly. Insurtech companies like Hippo and Lemonade are changing how Americans buy insurance by offering digital-first experiences, fast quotes, and AI-assisted claims processing. While these companies appeal to younger homeowners and tech-savvy audiences, traditional insurers still dominate due to their scale, experience, and financial stability. The smartest homeowners compare both modern and traditional options before deciding. In summary, the best home protection in the United States is never about a single company or catchy name. It's about understanding the system and making informed choices. Real home protection starts with a strong homeowner's insurance policy from a financially stable, well-rated insurer. It continues with smart customization, regular policy reviews, and realistic expectations. Optional home warranties can add convenience, but should never replace insurance. Americans who understand these principles protect not just their houses, but their families, savings, and future. Sure, home is more than walls and a roof. It's your security, your memories, and your financial foundation. Choosing the right home protection is not just a smart decision. It's one of the most important decisions you'll ever make as a homeowner in the United States.